Are you a VAT registrant in UAE? What if your business made no sales, no purchases during your tax return period? According to the UAE VAT Law, all VAT registered businesses and individuals should submit their VAT returns within the 28th of the month following the tax period. The failure of the registrant to submit the tax return within this time frame is bound to pay an administrative penalty of 1,000 dirhams for the first time, and 2,000 dirhams will be imposed in case of repetition within 24 months. To avoid these administrative penalties, the taxable person should submit a nil or zero VAT return if there are no business transactions for the tax period. In this video, we will be discussing a step-by-step procedures on how to file nil or zero VAT return. Hi everyone. Welcome to our new video. Before move ahead, please subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our new UAE VAT related videos. What is nil VAT return or zero VAT return? The only difference between your standard VAT return and a nil VAT return is, if you had no transactions during this period, you would simply enter 0 in each box of the VAT return. Let's understand how to file a nil VAT return in 4 simple steps. Go to the FTA website. Select e-services, and log in by using your username and password. Go to the VAT tab, and then click the VAT 201 VAT Returns tab. Under this tab, access the form by clicking on VAT 201 New VAT Return button. Here, you can see the taxable person's details. Enter 0 in each box. Now you can see here, payable tax for the period is showing 0. Accept the declaration, and click the Submit button to submit the return. Let's see the total outstanding liability. Click My Payment tab. Total outstanding liability is 0. Hope this video is helpful to you to understand the process of submitting nil or zero VAT return in the UAE. Hab Accounting Consultancy can help you with VAT and give you proper advice on all your VAT related issues. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out our new videos. Thanks for watching.